Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token and why you need about 500 million coins of Tectonic. Now, Tectonic this year have started the year with an impressive increase on the market cap and also on price. And remember, VVS Finance recently have been showing more support for this coin, and also Crypto.com, of course, they are the one that hosted this coin. Now, we also bought Kansas City Exchange listening Tectonic token. I'm happy to see these exchanges are now coming in gradually, and some have also added Tectonic token on their watch lists. Now, at the time of recording this, if you have 500 million coins of Tectonic token, that simply means you need to buy that at the rate of $116. Now, Tectonic token deleting just 10 simply means you'll be earning about $1,200. Your $116 to be worth about $1,200. That is amazing. That's a good profit. Now, Tectonic token deleting 2 zeros. At the time of recording this, Tectonic token is currently trading with about 6 zeros. Now, deleting 2 zeros simply means this coin will be giving you about $11,000 profit. Wow. This is an amazing, this is a huge profit, deleting 2 zeros, and which is possible. Yes, it is very much possible for Tectonic token to delete 2 zeros. Now, deleting 3 zeros, which I know that simply means about 100,000% increase in price. This coin will be returning about $115,000. Wow. For an investment of $116. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. If you want to know if it is possible, go and ask those that invested earlier on Shiba Inu, those that invested earlier on Bitcoin, those that invested earlier on Dogecoin, even on Solana recently. Let me tell you, cryptocurrency, there's a lot of things in cryptocurrency. Anything is possible. But I know that for Tectonic token, they still have a lot of work to be done. But just 3 exchanges listing this coin is already increasing in price. Now imagine Tectonic token getting Get.io, Kucoin, and other top crypto exchanges like Binance, like Coinbase coming in. Wow, this coin will be deleting between 1 to 3 zeros. That simply means having this 500 million coins will be returning over $100,000. But remember to invest what you can afford to lose, because that is the rule. That is the golden rule. You can still buy 100 million, you can still buy 10 million, just buy what you can afford to lose, because Tectonic token might be pumping, might be the next biggest coins. Okay, so I believe this coin, they have been doing well, and I hope to see this coin at the top. I hope to see Tectonic token keep increasing in price. I hope to see the developers keep working hard to make sure that Tectonic token keep working, keep trading, keep moving on the right track. Once again, remember to subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.